Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change text size. So for example, I will create text. First you can use the text command. Okay, I will create here and then I will set the text names to example. Click outside and press escape button. The second I will use the mtext command to create text. Okay, create here and you can type example 1. Now, if you want to change the text size, you can go to the properties. You can select the text objects. And then you can go to the properties. Now, in here, you can see we have the text options. For height, like in here, you can set into 100. And the text size will be changed to 100. Okay. For the mtext, you also can change by using the properties tools. Go properties and then go to the text height like into 150, and also you can double click the text here to move into the text editor. So in the text editor you can change for the text height like into 50, press enter to apply, and if you done you can click close text editor. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change text size.